Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, you know what? Go figure. Time I get the bag reveal video up, they just put up some spoilers. So here is another video showing the bag and some spoilers. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video. And remember guys, now my comments read different from y'all's. I don't know why that is, but I've had like 4 comments saying I'm first comment. So I'm going to have to start going by my analytics. So first comment, congratulations, Annalie Suber. Annalie says, thank you, beautiful, for sharing. Have a wonderful day. I like the Betty Boop bag. Well, Annalie, I really like the bag too. I'm really hoping for some Betty Boop collab makeup in that bag, maybe. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, guys, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked on my last video. And if you yourself want to shout out, make sure you leave a comment right here on this video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now let's get into these spoilers, y'all. First of all, a good look at the bag. Here it is. It is Betty Boop. It looks like a black and white Betty Boop bag. Really cute. I'm really hoping for some collab makeup in here. Now the first spoiler is the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why it took me so long to get out. Now, the second thing, and this is something I really want because I ain't got none of them. This is the Sigma Blending Brush, the E25. Now, next is the, I don't know how to say this word, Kaleido Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow. Don't know what shade it is, probably variations. Now, next we have a lipstick. Now, I don't know what this lipstick is, so if y'all recognize this, comment it down below. And then next we got It Cosmetics, the CC Cream. And that is all the spoilers we have for this bag for right now. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check him out. Now to read the pick comment from my last video. Well, I found this fitting and it was just perfect for this video, so I had to do it, y'all. Congratulations, Betty Boop Wolf. And you know what? I know this is the bag you wanted. Betty Boop says, I cannot wait for this bag. Nothing to do with October, but who cares? It's Betty Boop. Eek! Well, I love that comment, and I love that you're getting a bag. This bag was just made for you, Betty Boop. I just have a feeling that Ipsy is stalking you and said, you know what, we got to make this woman a bag. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I'm so glad you're getting the bag you want, Betty Boop Wolf, and I love you so, so much. Now, guys, remember, if you want to get a shout out, leave a comment here on this video, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then next, I want you to rate the video, but you only got one choice. Just hit that thumbs up button, because that thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and you know, YouTube's slow at doing everything. I mean, everything. They're even taking subscribers away from me, so make sure you check that. Make sure you're still subscribed. And then one last thing before you guys head out, if you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments about, I missed the last spoilers. Because if you had your bell set, you'd catch them spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys. But I'll have more spoilers up soon, y'all. But I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.